Welcome to the channel. Today, we are taking a closer look at the Porsche 911 2025, a car that continues to set the benchmark for performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. The 2025 model refines everything that makes the 911 an icon, with upgraded performance, a sleek design, and state-of-the-art features that enhance both driving pleasure and practicality. Under the hood, the Porsche 911 2025 is powered by a twin-turbocharged flat-six engine, delivering even more horsepower and torque than its predecessor. With a refined 8-speed PDK transmission and an optional manual gearbox for purists, this car offers an exhilarating driving experience. The enhanced powertrain allows for rapid acceleration, with the top trims reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Advanced all-wheel drive and an improved suspension system ensure exceptional handling, whether on winding roads or the racetrack. The exterior design stays true to the 911's timeless silhouette but features subtle refinements for better aerodynamics. Sleek LED matrix headlights, a redesigned front bumper, and active aerodynamics contribute to improved downforce and efficiency. The lightweight chassis, made from a mix of aluminum and high-strength steel, enhances performance while maintaining structural rigidity. The rear sports an updated light bar and an active spoiler that adjusts dynamically to driving conditions, improving both stability and aesthetics. Inside, the 2025 Porsche 911 offers a luxurious yet driver-focused cockpit. A fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while a large infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keeps the driver connected. The premium leather seats offer both comfort and sportiness, with multiple customization options available. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a new AI-powered parking assistant, enhance safety and convenience. Performance is not the only highlight, as Porsche has integrated new hybrid technology into select models to improve efficiency without sacrificing power. The innovative mild hybrid system provides an extra boost during acceleration and helps optimize fuel economy, making the 2025 911 one of the most advanced versions to date. The braking system has also been upgraded, featuring high-performance ceramic composite brakes for superior stopping power. With its blend of heritage and innovation, the Porsche 911 2025 remains a leader in the sports car segment. Its unmatched combination of speed, handling, and cutting-edge technology makes it a dream car for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Whether on the road or the track, this car delivers an experience like no other, proving once again why the 911 is one of the most legendary sports cars ever made. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content on high-performance cars and the latest automotive technology. Let us know in the comments what cars you would like to see next, and stay tuned for more exciting videos.